PALondon Uber A female driver has issued sex discrimination proceedings against the taxi company. The 44-year-old Uber driver issued proceedings at the employment tribunal, claiming the company's practices unfairly disadvantage women. The woman, who asked to remain anonymous, said the way the San Francisco-based firm operates is putting her and other female drivers at risk. She claimed Uber drivers do not know their passengers' destination until the traveler is already in the car and do not have the option to cancel the journey if the final point is to a remote or unsafe area. The female driver added, if a customer becomes aggressive in the car, the driver cannot cancel the journey, and if she asks the passenger to leave the vehicle, she faces customer complaints and low ratings which could affect future work. The claim is being brought by the GMB union and represented by law firm PALondon. Nigel McKay, a lawyer at PALondon, said we believe that Uber's policies do not do enough to protect female drivers. Our client no longer feels able to drive in the evening or at nighttime, suffering a loss of income as a result. We believe that Uber should not only ensure the safety of its passengers, but also all of its drivers, and provide as much protection as possible to women to ensure that they are not vulnerable to assaults from passengers. PALondon Uber, the 44-year-old driver, claims the company's practices unfairly disadvantage women. We believe that Uber's policies do not do enough to protect female drivers. Nigel McKay, lawyer at PALondon. The claim, brought to the Central London Employment Tribunal, argues Uber should allow drivers to challenge complaints and low ratings, so drivers do not risk their jobs if they ask passengers to leave their cars for their own safety. Maria Lutkin, GMB's legal director, said once again we have a member with serious concerns about Uber's systems and practices, which place the basic safety needs of the worker secondary to the imposition of a rigid and purely profit-based model. We look forward to allowing the courts to examine whether this aspect of their model discriminates against women drivers. In an emailed statement to the Business Insider, a spokesman said drivers on the app are free to log in and out as they want and can choose which trips they want to take or cancel without any penalty. The Uber spokesman said, if a driver doesn't want to go to a particular area, there is no obligation for them to do so. Drivers can also set a preferred destination in the app, and Uber will only allocate bookings heading that way. One of the main reasons why women choose to drive with Uber is because of the safety features in the app. All trips are GPS tracked, and a driver is able to share a live map of their trip with a friend or loved one. The suit follows a shock move on Friday, when Transport for London announced it was revoking Uber's license to operate in London. PALondon Uber, the claim argues Uber should allow drivers to challenge complaints and low ratings. Reasoned that the taxi firm's approach and conduct demonstrate a lack of corporate responsibility in relation to a number of issues which have potential public safety and security implications. In addition, Uber is seeking to overturn a controversial landmark ruling ordering to give drivers basic employee rights. A hearing is due to take place tomorrow. Express.co.uk has contacted Uber for a comment.